if you're a Mopar purist, you're gonna cringe at this. 69 Super B with a stripe put on backwards and crooked. But not only was it done wrong by the previous owner, they doubled down on their stupidity. This side peeled off, and when I got to the bottom, that is black paint because the stripe didn't fit. So they doubled down on stupid when they got it wrong, and got it terribly wrong. It's getting fixed. Well, a little bit of elbow grease, bug and tar remover, and cut and polish, and pretty much cleaned it up and all the residue, and fixing to install a new stripe. Alright, it's always a good idea to lay the new stripe out with some tape. You can see the horizontal body line marked at the top of that green tape. Sort of is in the middle of the B. Black stripe itself is fairly centered on the marker light. And then as I come up here, they align across. So for those of you who haven't seen this factory document here, a couple of pieces of tape in the center at 5 inches, a couple of pieces of tape on either end of the trunk at 4 and 5/8 inches. Granted, this is an RT stripe, but it gets to be pretty close. It also says that all measurements are approximate. So I'll make sure that it lines up. The stripe lines up over here fairly well. Well, it looks a hell of a lot better than it did. Gotta put the reflector back in the side marker light. But overall, it turned out pretty good.